gonna do a very exciting thing, which is cook the boba tea for my Picha Team lah. Let's see what's inside. Okay, I don't know if I can understand, but and this is the bubble. I actually pre-boil the water. So add in the boba. Oh my god. Then I need to stir until 1/3 of the boba is floating. Oh, it's quite fast though. Cover the pot with a space of 5 cm open.
It smells bad.
Seriously? It's boba! Meanwhile waiting, I can do a bit of work. So every 5 minutes I need to stir. Wow. It stick on the pan. It really looks like the Milo Crunch.
It's so thick.
The boba is done. Cool it down at the side for 25 minutes. What I'm gonna do next? I need to cook the brown sugar syrup. Okay, easy this one. Yes, I need to boil the water. Wait, I need to figure this out. How can I open this? Jang, jang, jang. Okay, another 60. Boil for a while. Then turn to wow.
Is this supposed to happen?
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is rinse the bubble with drinking water. Put in the bubble. Wiggle. Okay, put back into the big pot.
Looks like fish roll.
After I rinse all the bubble, I need to mix up all the sugar syrup. And meanwhile, I can prepare the milk, the drinks. So now, I wanna to make the drinks. I need to scoop in the bubble. Bit ice. The next thing, milk. Chang. They give you 2 packages of chocolate, and also this is hojicha because I ordered these 2 flavors. And then add in a little bit of hot water. Then you put into the milk. Ta-da! This is a chocolate. I'm so proud of myself. Oh my god, so nice! Okay, and pour it in. Okay, it's okay. And I want to eat this with Hiba's brownies. Look at the crunch on the top. Oh my god. Okay. Let's see. I can open a shop lah. I got so good. Best match